Alright guys, Luke Skywalker for you guys, so I'm gonna start boxing this guy for you guys. So, I just like these so much guys, so let me do this, take them out, just take this, put it back in there. Now, let's take Mr. Luke out of his sorry. Wow. So that's Luke for you guys. Move my face out of the way. That's Luke for you. Luke Skywalker himself. So that's Luke for you. Beauty view, beauty view, beauty view. That's Luke for you. So that's Luke for you. So that's Luke. That was Luke for you guys. So let's grab Han Solo. Now, so you got Han. So there's Han Solo for you guys. So let's get him out of the box, shall we? Ooh. So, oh god, oh my god. Let's get him out of the box. Put it back there. Place that to the side. So let's grab Han. Nice. Ooh. Han Solo's got a stand. He has a stand. Pushing back on his stand. Oops. You don't want to be on the stand, don't you, Han Solo? Han, get back on that. There we go. Grab my face out of the way. I'm Han Solo. I am Harrison Ford. I'm a big fan of Harrison Ford. There we go. That's Mr. Harrison Ford for you guys. Put you back on your stand. These stuff I love so much, guys. Go and buy them. You collectors out there, you guys want to go buy them? I don't mind, guys. They're good toys to collect. I am a big fan of Star Wars for many years, guys. Since the decades of episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me explain something to you guys. Star Wars is my childhood, so
don't talk too much. Sorry, very sorry.
Alright, let's grab Mr. Evil Man. Evil Man himself. Let's grab the evil guy. So this is Emperor Palpatine, the evilest guy in the world. So let's grab him out. Let's grab him out. Whoa, look at him, guys. So evil. I like the texture on this guy. The texture on this guy is so cool. So, beautiful. Get my face out of the way. There we go. So that's evil Mr. Palpatine for you guys. Go on. You stand next to your you stay next to your Imperpetus. You're Mr. Big Man himself. Evil man. So that's Palpatine for you guys. Now, let's go with.
What did you eat on your plate? Yeah?
Yoda's up. Yoda was my big favorite of the movie. Yoda was a big, huge. Yoda was a big, huge influence on those young kids who love collecting things. First, alright guys, Yoda. Golden. This is the Golden Yoda. Galactic Convention. I saw a model of this at the Galactic Convention. I went there 2 months ago. It was very good. I picked it up and finally guys, I got it up for you guys. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up for you guys. So come out, Yoda. Come out for the whole world to see you, Yoda. Copy out your that's Yoda for you guys. Yoda. These are on a stand. Yoda, you go behind Luke. Skywalker. This box is all keep if I need to. Hold on, guys. Wait. Sorry about that. Let's go with Wicket. Wicket the Wick. So, that's Wicket. Here we have Han Solo, young version. I'm gonna get Mr. Lando next. So let's open him up. There you go, little small guy. Open him up. Open him up, sorry. Now, just grab him up. Oops. That is so cool. He's so cute. Beauty view, beauty view. Move my face out the way. Beauty view, beauty view. You have Mr. Wicker himself.
No, Mom, we don't.
It's okay. Put this in the box. It's in the box. My favorite, Chewbacca. Alright. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Mr. Chewbacca and so. Alright, let's open the bad boy up. Oh, I'm sad. Yes.
Bây giờ nó mà cũng không tê.
Bad boy.
Đâu? Nó xóa à?
Move out of the way.
Bây giờ bé xin được bé.
Oh my god. The hair feels smooth. I love the hair. I love how they made Chewbacca look so realistic and so incredibly. I like the visors. So cute. This guy is so cool. If you guys love Chewbacca, just give him a raise up. So I think my top 5 is Chewbacca, guys. Alright guys, there you go. You have your Star Wars Pops. There you go guys. Next time we shall give some more and open up for you guys. The next pop, the next 3 I'll be getting our Flynn, Pope Darren, Kylo Ren, and Rey. Those 4 pops I'm gonna get next couple of times, Friday morning, and there will be more pops coming your way, guys. And also Princess Leia will be the next one. Orlando Coruscant will be the next 2 after that as well. And as well. Alright, I'm gonna get Chewbacca Hoth as well, and R2D1. And let me see. Well, that's the next one. Korea. Range Trooper. And Mod Trooper, the next 2. Alright guys, thank you so much guys. I'll see you next time. 2J, out.